Hey guys, we have a new cameraman. He's very professional, but it's a new equipment. So
I'm professional, trust me.
today I'm gonna show you guys how to install your NVMe, whatever it's called, NVMe into this motherboard. This is the X870 Hero Crosshair Hero from Asus. So you take your little, NVE, and sorry about the mess, and you put it aside because we don't need that yet. Then over here, we need inside here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this motherboard, you just push it here, it will release. This is a tight space because all the cooling stuff. You pull it out. There'll be a sticker here and also a sticker over here. So we got to peel both of those, because this area is where the heat is going to dissipate to. And this is your fastest thing. So port, if you will. Take it off from here as well. Then we need our chip thing, and we're gonna insert it and put this down so I can use two hands here. And we're gonna insert it like that. Push down, and it clips in place. So now it's in there. Simply, this is already installed, so then all we have to do is replace this. Don't forget to take the blue sticker out of there. And this one, you have to solder slide it without letting it stick. Then once you have it locked in the back over here, there's a notch there. I don't know if you guys can see it. My hand's in there, over here, see? Mm-hmm. There's that notch. You put in the notch, then you come over here in front. All you do is you press down till it clicks. Now it's all set. Not all set yet. Hang on. Push down till it clicks. There you go. That's a nice click. And then if you want to take it off, you do the same thing, but you want to push down, click, put some pressure on it to make sure that the sticky things sticks to the SSD. And that's it. That's installed. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Take care. And the cameraman says hi.